Okay, come out my door. A little potty area I made for the dogs. Then 1 shovel's worth width down the path to the gate. From the gate to the back of my landlord's house, by the pool, which you can't even see anymore. More and more in front of my neighbor's, my landlord's house. Still going, still going. And I turned here to go straight to my car. But that is the wall of snow. So I'm going to come back and go to the parking lot, but the parking lot just got plowed. So now I need to go to get my car and see if I can get out. That's a pretty big pile of snow. It's pretty out here. Really pretty. The pool, you can see the pool is sunken in because there's a lot of weight on the pool cover. The landlord's house. Back to the parking lot.